This is what we're looking at right now. I'm not giving you this information because I want to stress anyone out or put any extra work on you in terms of finishing those preparations or telling you, please evacuate. But this is what we're looking at, 311 miles, Fort Myers, outside of the eye of Hurricane Irma right now. We just did get that 8 a.m. update. I was trying to finish reading that update here. Still a Category 4 storm, but it's weakened down to 130 miles per hour. So it did weaken significantly as it moved over the northern coast of Cuba. That is expected with any hurricane that moves over Cuba because of the mountainous terrain. It's very mountainous. It rips up these hurricanes. We saw those wind speeds drop down to 130, but it is moving through some of the warmest water in the world. It will continue to track through those warm Caribbean and Gulf waters as it approaches the Florida Peninsula, and it is, I don't want to say expected to re-strengthen significantly, but re-strengthening, I think, will happen as it moves away from Cuba and toward the Florida Peninsula. You can see that wind field around the center here. So as the official track stands right now, we're looking at potentially Category 4 storm making landfall as we head into tomorrow. But tropical storm force winds will arrive as early as this evening to portions of southwest Florida. We're looking at the hurricane conditions early tomorrow morning. We're still looking at potentially a Category 3, so still a major hurricane as Irma approaches the Tampa Bay area, because it's not going to have that much land interaction as it continues to track north until, of course, it makes landfall. So if it's hugging the coastline through Collier County and making landfall in Lee County, it won't weaken significantly moving into the Tampa area. But it does look, and at this point, still looks like potentially tropical storm force winds, the tropical storm status moving through portions of Georgia, even as far north as Atlanta. So this is a very strong, very catastrophic storm, and we're already seeing impacts in South Florida. That's why we're telling you right now, finish those preparations as soon as possible. We are not far out from feeling those impacts. You can see the rain already starting to push into Miami right now. It looks like Homestead getting some rain. Precipitation rate, we're falling about almost 3/4 of an inch an hour. There we go, 3/4 of an inch an hour there, pushing right past Homestead. It looks like that's where that precipitation rate was picked up. So we're already seeing these impacts. Chris, remember, read that tweet saying that the radar estimated wind speeds in the Keys were up to about 65, 66 miles per hour already. So we're already looking at those tropical storm force winds in the Keys. We will see those arrive to southwest Florida as we head into this evening. You can see hurricane warning encompassing all of the Florida Peninsula. That means hurricane conditions are going to happen. They are expected, and that is what you need to plan for. And again, we are not trying to give you excess work. We're not trying to keep you from checking off a hurricane on your bucket list. We are trying to keep you alive. We're trying to give you the best possible outcome for both you and your family and your home. And that's why we've been telling you to prepare your home for the past few days. Since that track is shifting and trending further west, one threat that we're looking at really increasing is storm surge. Storm surge is the deadliest part of a hurricane. It is that water inundation, and we're talking in feet, up to 10, 12 feet possible through portions of southwest Florida. We're seeing that storm surge warning through all of Collier, all of Lee, and we're seeing the coastal portion, the coastal half, I would say, of Charlotte County under that storm surge warning, which means storm surge will happen as Irma continues to track north. And that is because that eye right now seems to be hugging the coastline, potentially making landfall in one of our southwest Florida counties, maybe Lee County, maybe Charlotte County. It all depends on when that north turn is actually taken, which we're still kind of waiting on at this point. The steering current, that area of high pressure, seems to be a lot stronger than any model indicated, and that's why we're seeing that continued trend west. Here's that storm surge map. You can see we're talking feet here. We are talking feet of storm surge. And that is going to be a huge, huge threat to people in our coastal areas, which unfortunately are some of our highest populated areas. Another threat that we're looking at is wind speed. This is going to be very destructive. Hurricane force winds through, again, up and down our coastline, which unfortunately the most populated part of our peninsula. Even inland, we could potentially see hurricane force winds because remember, they extend 70 miles outside of the center of Irma. The peninsula at its widest point is still less than about 160, 150 miles. So we could see well into our inland areas those hurricane force winds. Naples, Fort Myers, expected to see the hurricane force winds at this point. It is going to happen. And those hurricane force winds are destructive. When you're talking triple digits in terms of miles per hour, and you can see those numbers here, those numbers populating, it is going to be destructive as that eye either moves onshore into southwest Florida, into Collier County, Lee County, or is just offshore where you're still in that hurricane force wind field. And the tropical storm force wind field, 195 miles outside of Irma's center. We're talking about a massive storm that is really strong for quite a ways out. 195 miles away from the center, we're still looking at tropical storm force winds. Here's that futurecast, that predictor as we head into the next day or so. We will start seeing those impacts as early as this evening, with the rain threat really increasing as well. And you can see that as the futurecast kind of populates through as we fast forward through here. You're looking at the heavy rain inundation, that eye straddling the coastline. This, to be honest with you, this is what the East Coast was afraid of with Matthew last year. Matthew, for the most part, staying just offshore of the East Coast last year. But we're not necessarily looking at that happening. We are looking at a stronger storm, stronger hurricane going with that eye wall going right up our coastline. That is why we are trying to encourage you to please take our warnings seriously. We're not trying to scare you, and we're not trying to make you do something unnecessary, but we really are looking at deadly storm surge, the potential for flash flooding and flooding even for our inland areas because of that heavy rainfall. We're looking at destructive hurricane force winds. Here's some of that rainfall potential as we head into the next day or two. And you can see even our inland areas are going to see quite a bit of it. We're talking more than 5, 6, up to 10 inches possible in terms of rainfall, and that's on top of the flooding from storm surge. So this is going to be a mass flooding event for a lot of Southwest Florida. And remember, it's our rainy season. Our ground's already saturated. It can't hold a whole lot more. We get those afternoon storms, and we're already seeing ponding on the roadway. So when we're talking 10 inches of rain over a day or two, in addition to storm surge, we are going to see flooding, which, again, even if you are a couple floors up, a couple stories up, brings in the risk of how are you going to get down. And that's going to put our emergency officials at more of a risk when they're trying to, unfortunately, help you out. It is a much better idea to avoid that situation altogether and just get out if you've been encouraged to get out. Take those evacuation notices seriously. I'm trying to find that line between, I don't want to instill panic. We're ready for this. You know what I mean? We've been encouraging you at home to prepare for this for a week now. We are ready for this. So I'm not trying to put that sense of panic in anyone, but this is the storm. You know what I mean? This is
beyond urgent.
Yes, this is beyond urgent. And this isn't the storm to ride out. This isn't the storm to check off your bucket list. If you're trying to check off a hurricane from your bucket list, maybe a category 1.
Right. Wait for that.
But not this storm.
Danny,